Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a 4K pumping tutorial and talk about how mothers can create a calm, comfortable, and organized pumping routine. For many mothers, pumping becomes a regular part of daily life. In the beginning, everything may feel new, but with time and practice, the routine often becomes much easier to manage. Before starting, make sure your pump parts are clean, dry, and properly assembled. A few minutes of preparation can help the entire session go more smoothly. Next, choose a comfortable place where you can sit and relax. Many mothers find that a peaceful environment helps make pumping sessions more enjoyable. Keeping everything you need nearby can also be helpful. Having storage containers, water, and cleaning supplies within reach can make the session feel more organized. When you begin pumping, start slowly and allow yourself time to settle into the routine. There is usually no need to rush. A calm and steady approach often works best. Many mothers use pumping time as an opportunity to relax, listen to music, watch a video, or simply enjoy a few quiet moments during a busy day. After the session is complete, carefully store the collected milk and make sure everything is labeled if needed. Staying organized can save time later. Cleaning the pump after each use is another important habit. Proper cleaning helps maintain hygiene and keeps the equipment ready for future sessions. Remember that every mother's routine is different. Finding a schedule and setup that fit your lifestyle may take time, and that is completely normal. With consistency, preparation, and patience, pumping can become a smooth and comfortable part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.